As promised from my last video, I will be teaching you how to buy Ethereum using Coins.ph. If you haven't watched the video, the link is located in the description. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below or like us on Facebook. So, let's start. First, you need to cash in. Of course, you need to have money first to invest. Coins.ph has a lot of featured cash-in partners. They have 7-Eleven, Bayad Center, Cebuana Luwilier, and many more. But since we're on lockdown, I chose to cash in via Gcash since it's the most convenient option. If you want to use Gcash as well, just open the app, click Cash In, and click the three dots located on the bottom right. You'll see a list of banks here. For Coins.ph, search for DCPay and click that. Just fill in the necessary information needed, type in your name, account number, which is your cell phone number, and enter your email address if you like. Then, click Send Money, check the details, and hit Confirm. Once the transaction has been confirmed, open Coins.ph and click Convert. They will ask you to read and accept a waiver. Basically, they want the users to know that they are not liable for the user's losses since virtual currency is high risk. Just tick the checkbox and hit Next. Once again, click Convert, and then Coins.ph will ask you to create an Ethereum wallet for 80 pesos. With this wallet, you will be able to convert PHP to ETH and vice versa. If you still want to proceed, follow the instruction and slide to pay. Now that you have your Ethereum wallet, click Convert PHP to ETH. You will be redirected to the ETH tab. Click Convert and enter the amount you want to convert to ETH. Make sure that this section is on ETH and not BTC or Bitcoin. That's two different cryptocurrencies. Then, slide to convert. After that, hit confirm, and now you have successfully bought Ethereum. Just a little tip. If, for example, your 100 peso investment has gained some money, let's say 18 pesos, I advise you to get that immediately since there's a huge possibility that the 18 pesos you have at the moment can disappear after some time. If you want to do that, go to Convert, enter the amount you want to get in peso, then slide to Convert. You should see that amount in your peso wallet. If you feel like Ethereum is too risky for you, you might want to consider the Pag-ibig MP2 investment. This is government guaranteed and tax-free as well. You'll also find the link for the MP2 tutorial in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel or like us on Facebook. See ya!